Hello friends, another amazing video for us. Today we will make a beautiful envelope without any cutting. Okay, so let's start. First you can take a A4 sheets and then fold it like this. You can fold it like this. Okay, you can fold it and then you can fold like this. Okay, and then you can fold like this. You can fold like this and यहाँ से भी आप fold कर लेंगे like this. Okay, complete. And then open it. Open करके and you can back the paper and then in this side you can this point, इस point को आप इससे attach करेंगे like this. ओपन इट एंड इसको इस पॉइंट से आप अटैच करेंगे लाइक दिस एंड देन फोल्ड इट. ओके, अगेन फोल्ड इट एंड अगेन फोल्ड इट लाइक स्मॉल. ओके, लाइक दिस. कंप्लीट एंड देन open it like this and make crisscross like this. crisscross मतलब एक आगे and एक पीछे. Okay, complete. And then you can turn this and you can fold it like this. आप इसको fold कर देंगे. Okay, fold it and then you can fold it like this and you can fold it like this. Okay, complete. And then you can paste it. यहाँ से फेविकॉल लगाएंगे दोनों साइड और आप इसको पेस्ट कर देंगे. Okay, and now you can press it like this. So without any cutting you can make a beautiful envelope within 2 minutes. So please watch it, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.